Hey guys, Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to determine if a function is homogeneous. So a function f of xy is homogeneous of degree alpha if f of tx ty is equal to t to the alpha f of xy. And so all we're doing is we're taking our function f of xy, and anywhere we see an x we are replacing it with a tx. Anywhere we see a y we're replacing it with a ty, and then we're factoring out the t to the alpha. And if we get our original function back after factoring this t to the alpha term out, that means we have a homogeneous function. And if we can't, then that means that our function is non-homogeneous. So let's go ahead and apply this to a few examples. So in this first example here, we have f of xy is equal to x squared plus y squared. So let's go ahead and plug in tx and ty for x and y. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have f, and then instead of x, let's go ahead and write tx. And for y, let's go ahead and write ty. So our first term here is an x squared, so let's go ahead and replace that x with a tx. And here we have a y squared term. So let's go ahead and replace that y with a ty. So now let's go ahead and expand this. So expanding this, we have t squared x squared plus t squared y squared. And we can see here that we can factor out a t squared. So this ends up becoming t squared times x squared plus y squared. So here we have t squared times x squared plus y squared. So notice that this x squared plus y squared is the same thing as our original function f of xy. So this means that after we factored out our t to the alpha term, we were able to get our original function back, which means that this function is homogeneous of degree 2 because the exponent on this t that we factored out is a 2. So this means that f of xy is homogeneous of degree 2. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this next example here. So we have f of xy is equal to 3x squared plus xy squared. So as in the previous example, let's go ahead and replace our x's with tx's and our y's with ty's. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have f of x, so instead of x, let's go ahead and write tx. And instead of y, let's go ahead and write ty. So here we have a 3x squared. So let's go ahead and replace that x with a tx. And let's go ahead and replace this x here with a tx. And this y squared, let's go ahead and replace that y with a ty. Okay, and now let's go ahead and expand this. So we have 3t squared x squared plus tx times t squared y squared. And now let's go ahead and simplify this down further. So we have 3t squared x squared plus t cubed x y squared. And so we can see here that we do have a common factor. These two terms share a t squared. So we can go ahead and factor that t squared out, and we are left with the quantity 3x squared plus t times x y squared. So we can see here that this is not equal to f of xy. So this means that after we had factored out this t squared here, we were not able to retrieve our original function here. So this means that this function f of xy is not homogeneous. And so that is how you determine if a function is homogeneous. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what video you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.